Welcome to the second episode of this course. In this video we are gonna add the environment for our game, so let's go. I'm gonna head to Asset Store. That's a useful tool for Unity, which we can get the assets. This is what I use in most of my projects. I'm gonna get the standard assets, which is for Unity, and that's a very useful tool. I'm gonna search here, standard assets. Well, that's it. I'm gonna download it. It's free and it has too many assets. Once it is downloaded, we hit import, and there's too many stuffs in this package, and definitely we don't need all of them in this game, and you can only import just the stuffs you need here. But for now I'm just gonna select all and hit import. Okay, once it is done, this is giving me some warnings. Once we clear them all, this is just one error left. We should open the script. Let's select an app to open it. So we go to preferences. We can select it here, external tools. I'm just gonna select this Visual Studio Community. If you don't have it, you can come in Unity Hub from installs, add modules, and you can select this, but I had it from another version. So we double click on this error to open it in Visual Studio. Once it is opened, we are just gonna delete this, and we should also copy this line, and we are gonna using Unity engine.ui and Ctrl S to save it, and we are done. Now we are gonna wait some seconds. If we now hit clear here, we can see that there is no more error, and we have now two more folders in our project, which they are for standard assets. Now we can go ahead and make the environment for our game. So I just select this cylinder and delete this, and from hierarchy, right click, 3 object, and train. And if I double click on it, you can see it's very large one. We can just change the position of this. Here is the main camera, and I'm just gonna move it a little here. Looks fine. I'm gonna enter it manually from here, minus 200 in z-axis and minus 1500 on x-axis. I'm gonna add some grass on this terrain, so we'll paint terrain, and from this Dropbox I'm gonna select paint texture and edit terrain layers. Create a layer, it should be larger. I'm gonna search for grass, double click the texture to add it, and that's it. You can now go to raise or low-end terrain, select a brush. You can change the brush size here. I'm gonna just say 100 and opacity 25. Looks fine for me, and we can go ahead, change the opacity to 50 again. I'm just creating these mountains around the ground, and we can go ahead and add another layer to our ground. Select this rocky grass, double click on it, select it, and we can now paint it on our mountains. And I'm gonna add another layer for a road, something like this, sand. For example, I'm gonna choose this point for the start of the road, and something like this. And we can go to trees tab here and edit trees and add a tree. Select this little button here and add a tree, and I'm gonna add another tree, this one. We can maybe add another one. Okay, we can place trees manually like this, or we go Ctrl Z, click this mass place trees here and choose a number. For example, I want 1000 trees, and check this and click place, and you can see it randomly place 1000 trees in our scene. Okay, but we are not gonna need trees there in our road, so we go holding shift here and remove these trees that we don't need them. Okay, and it's good. We can just rename it to ground and Ctrl S to save it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, consider subscribing, and also if you want to see more videos like this, you can support me by donating bitcoins to the address in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And a special thanks to all awesome people who have donated.